I have a really, really old light bulb in there. So you're gonna see it. It's true. This would be the light pull chain. I was just surprised seeing how fast low speed was. Yeah, at the same time, just how horribly the blades were bent. That actually explains why I replaced the blades on the Halsey, because of how far bent these ones were. You just take on the cane. Sure. Show it with the light on. Real fast. It almost reminds me of a picture Jonas Fan took many years ago. This with the light on. At the angle from there. It reminds me of a picture that Jonas Fan took years ago with his SMC Park Avenue 3 with the schoolhouse light hit no globe. It just reminds me of that, especially because the fan had cane blades. And the light bulb was actually bent at an angle. But yeah, I remember watching the original video to it. And of course it was the SMC Park Avenue 3 with the cane on his channel. He had actually put multiple videos of that fan on there. You can just see how horribly these blades are bent. That's actually bad. And I accidentally just like struck my leg on these and then they just came down. The actual blades. It's in here. Yeah, that's my computer.
Where's your school computer? Is it charging?
Yeah, it's charging. That's not a bad medium though. Yeah, it still does. Oh yeah, and the other fan it reminds me of was a Jonas fan. Well, I believe the video was called More Ceiling Fans. He had filmed this latex crown. I believe it's a crown. He filmed it many years ago. This is when it still had the bad pull chain. It was the first fan in the compilation. And the first pull was stripped to low, and then medium, and then high. Almost like a Casablanca, but the speeds were just really bad. But yeah. This thing's also got a really bad high speed. Well, it's an Armitage after all. So this actually is high speed. Yikes. Could have had them there. That's right, that's just some of the powder that just rose back up to the top. It's about as fast as the designer. It's about as fast as my brother's designer. And that's true. This is actually about the speed the Premiere used to run. So I have a video from like late 2020 or at least early 2021 showing this thing running on all speeds, and it was running exactly like this on high speed. This thing's actually faster with those blades. Because Armitages are actually slow as heck. But of course, Armitage, so yeah. You can see that one blade just like looking brighter than the others. So it gives a good calculation for RPM. Let me just take a look at it with the light on it and just go over here. Just do the chain. Just to show that it worked. Yeah. I have to steer my way through the Premiere. And the arm stable bay. Yeah, just wanted to. It doesn't say any bends. These blades are just insanely bent. That's not great. Even though that was just a video.